everyone, welcome back. Did OKX Wallet stop working right after your iPhone updated to a new iOS version? This is one of the most searched crypto wallet problems after every Apple update, and here's the fix. First, go ahead and restart your phone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds and turn back on. iOS updates sometimes cause temporary conflicts with apps, and a fresh restart clears most of them immediately. After restarting, go ahead and open your App Store and then tap your profile picture at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, scroll down and look for OKX Wallet in the list of available updates. Wallet apps like OKX release compatibility updates within days of every major iOS release. Tap update immediately if you see it. If there is no update available and OK Wallet is still crashing, go to your settings app, then go to general. Next, go to iPhone storage and scroll down until you see OKX. Once you see it, tap on it and then tap Offload app. Once the app is uploaded, go to your App Store and reinstall the app fresh from App Store. So all you've got to do is restart your iPhone, check App Store for OKX Wallet update, offload and reinstall if it's still broken. OKX will be working on new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe.